guys, this is a tutorial to show you how to add your Google Apps account to Outlook. We are currently using Outlook 2007, which I just installed. We're going to be doing the work today for Compass Automotive and using their accounts as our guinea pigs. I currently have nothing prepared, so we're going to figure this out together. So I just did a fresh install of Outlook 2007. Now the reason we're using 2007 is because this is what I have, and the settings for your incoming and outgoing mail servers and all that are probably going to be the same if you have a newer version. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to click next. I would like to configure an email account. Yes. And my name is Rach, and my email is rachel@compassauto.com. My password is this, and I just retyped my password. Now at this point, we don't want it to try to find stuff automatically, so what we're going to do is click on Manually Configure Server Settings or Additional Server Types. When you click on that and hit Next, you're going to be able to select from these three options. You want to click Internet Email because we're going to do an IMAP connection. So go ahead and click Next. Here's name, here's password, account type. Let's do IMAP. The reason we're doing IMAP is because if you have this email coming to your PC and also on your phone, if you delete an email on your phone when you have it set up as an IMAP connection, it will also delete it on your PC and vice versa. So it's kind of a sync. So our incoming mail server would be imap@gmail.com, imap.gmail.com, and our outgoing is going to be smtp.gmail.com. Username is going to be just our email, and then password is going to be the super secret password. Go ahead and click remember. Require logon using secure password authentication. Let's go ahead and leave that unchecked for now and click more settings. I know for certain that we want to go to advanced, and we want to make sure that our incoming server is set to 993, and we want to use SSL for that, and our outgoing server is going to be 587, and we're going to use TLS for that. And then usually I go to the outgoing server tab and just say yes, it requires authentication. Use the same settings as my incoming server. Hit OK. Let's go ahead and test the account settings. Okay, it logged into the incoming mail server and it just sent a test email message. So let's go ahead and hit close, and let's go ahead and hit next. And now it should bring up the inbox. Oh, go away. Go away. Leave us alone, we're doing something. Now over here we can see what we just added, rachel@compassauto.com. Hey, and in our inbox, we have one new message. This is an email message sent automatically by Microsoft Office while testing the settings for you. This is an email I sent the other day to test the account. Okay, so now let's go into Outlook, and we're going to add a second account. Okay, so now that we have that primary account set up, we're going to go and we're going to add that second account, just so you can see how you do it from this screen versus how you would do it when you install the program from scratch. So I'm in Rachel's inbox right now. I'm going to come up here to Tools, and I'm going to click on Account Settings. Brings me up to the email tab. I'm going to click New and connect to an email account on your internet service provider. Yes, we want to do that. Click Next. My name is Jim. My email address is this, and my password is this, and we're going to manually configure our server again. So go ahead and hit Next. Internet email, hit Next. We're going to do an IMAP connection. Incoming mail server is the same Gmail imap.gmail.com. The outgoing mail server, smtp.gmail.com. Whoops. Username is Jim at Compass Auto. And password is this guy. Make sure remember password is checked. Go over to more settings, just like we did before. Advanced, our port is 993. We're going to use SSL. Outgoing, our port is 587. And use TLS. My outgoing server requires authentication. Use same. Hit OK. Click test account. It was able to log into our incoming mail server. Sending the test email message. Completed. Close. Hit next. Finish. Hit close. Now we should see Jim pop up over here on the left. It's going to bring in our folders. See them popping up one by one over here. And here's your inbox. So you have one new message. That's from Microsoft Outlook. That's a test it just sent. So that's how you would add those accounts from Google Apps to Outlook. And you should be good to go. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.